Hey guys, Ralf with Stray Benzes. Today got a really brief topic because it's sometimes very confusing for some of you who pop up the hood of a Benz and you wonder why on earth is there no light on these, and there seems to be a switch there. So check it out. So popping up the hood, some people will stumble across this switch right here. And you're looking up here in the engine compartment and you can't find the light. Reason being, it has only one function, and that is it's connected to the alarm system. So unfortunately, folks, I guess Benz never anticipated for you to look at your Benz at night under the hood. So sorry, this is just for the alarm system. This was a brief episode this time. Keep your classic Benz on the road. Happy ranching. Give me a like, thumbs up. Until then, bye.